If you're looking to maximize the new Bingchat integration in Microsoft Edge, this guide is for you. This integration, also known as Edge Copilot, Discover, or Bingchat, can be accessed on the web or directly through the Microsoft Edge browser on Windows 11, 10, Mac OS, and Linux. So let's crack the Windows. Located in the top right corner of the browser, the Bingchat integration can be expanded to reveal three tools: Chat, Compose, and Insights. The Chat tab allows you to interact with the chatbot, while the Compose tab provides quick options for creating different types of content, such as emails, articles, or paragraphs. Finally, the Insights tab provides search insights related to the content you're viewing on Microsoft Edge. To get started with the chat feature on Microsoft Edge, follow these simple steps. Open Microsoft Edge. Click the Bing Discovery button in the top right corner. You need to be signed in with your Microsoft account with access to the new Bing experience to access the browser's integration. Sign up here if you don't have access. Click the Chat tab. Under the Set Tone of Responses, choose the Balanced option. You can select the Creative option to give the chatbot more freedom for original responses, or the Precise option to get more accurate answers. Click the Yes, Turn On option to allow to access your browser content to enable Bing to understand the context. Compose your question in the Ask Me Anything box and press Enter to get the answer. The chatbot may take a moment to generate a response. Click the Stop Responding button to cancel the query, and don't use robotic keywords as you do on a search engine. Compose another related question to refine the answer if needed. If you liked the video, click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for latest updates. Hover over the content to learn more about the source of information, and click the link to open the web page containing the source data of the answer. Click the New Topic icon next to the search box to terminate and start a new chat session. To use the Compose feature from Bing on Edge, follow these steps. Click the Compose tab. Type the details of the content you want the Bing chatbot to compose in the Write About section. Select one of the available tones, formats, and length options. Click the Generate Draft button. After following these steps, Bing will show insights about the content you're viewing on every web page you open, including images, related content, additional information about a specific place or topic, and related news. If required, click the Add to Site button to copy and paste the generated content directly into an email or web app, such as Word Online. That's all for today. Goodbye.